in Temecula, California. One of two rooms we will be showing you today. This is the view you are greeted with when you enter the quaint inn. We are staying in the Muscat Canelli room. This is the entryway. As you enter the room, this is your view. King size bed. Very nice room. You do have a desk, AC unit, lamp. King size bed. And the bathroom. Very nice spacious bathroom. You do have a whirlpool tub with shower. Sink and the toilets. Very nice accommodations. I am very impressed. And you also have this wonderful balcony. Give you a shot of the room from this way. And then this is the balcony. Very nice. And you have a nice view of the vineyards here in Temecula. The landscape is very lush, beautiful. And I will guarantee that you will have a wonderful time here. We are staying in the Libido room here at the inn at Europa Village in Temecula, California. This is the official room tour. This is what you are greeted with when you enter the room. King size bed, full length mirror, lamps on each side. And you also have a corner chair with a lamp. Full length mirror. And a desk. In the closet they do provide you with extra blankets, robes for the hot tub, and some storage space for your clothing for your stay here at the inn. The inn also does provide a gourmet breakfast, which is included with your stay. Sink, the toilet area, tub and shower combo. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, share with others. Please put a comment below if you've ever stayed at the inn at Europa Village. And as always, guys, remember, enjoy life, make it an adventure. Thanks for watching.